Counselor Alice is late for tetherball practice.
Achoo!
Should we check on her?
Achoo!
We should check on her.
Achoo!
Alice, are you feeling sick?
What? No, not at all. I think it's just allergies.
Well, now we're...
Achoo!
How are they doing?
They're not arguing, so I think they might make it.
And now she's twice as sick.
Help!
Boo, boo, boo.